back to ballroom, just a little bit for all the ballroom enthusiasts. Again, one simple, single, basic step. And this is the Foxtrot. So the Foxtrot, obviously the most important, the initial one you learn is the feather step. So for the guys, we step forward on the heel, we step forward on the toe, and we step forward on the toe. And then we lower and go into the heel. So if you do that just without anything added in, it's simply heel, toe, toe, heel. Now, did you notice there that I didn't lower the heel first, so it looks clunky? So what we need to make sure of is that when we step forward, again, if you've done your CBM, you'll know what this is. We step forward on the heel and we move through. And the body turns slightly. Then we rise onto the toe, and by now we're up there. And this is called in CBMP, which is contra body movement position. Then we come through on the toe. And don't forget, you must lower into that heel before or as one foot passes another. So we go, move forward, heel, toe, toe, and swing into that next one. And that most important one there is, you're up on both toes, you turn the body in this position and move into that next step. And this foot passes this foot as you lower. And that's important to get that smoothness, or as we've said before, you'll clunk or you'll come too late and you'll fall. So it's one foot passes the other. It's very important. That's when the lowering takes place. So we're right up nice and high. You're on the toes, the body turns. A slight turn in the body is so important, because if you don't turn that body, it just, again, it won't work. So smooth into that next position. That's on the heel. So that's your basic feather step. The ladies obviously will be starting back left. Again, turn the body slight, lift up there, get nice and high on that toe, and then the heel goes down for the ladies, and again you get the rise in the body. So the ladies will be stepping back, toe heel, and they get rise there into the body, lower into the heel, and again we've still got a little bit of rise in the body there, lower into the heel. So effectively there we've got for the girls, slow, quick, quick, slow. I'm going to come out of it there at the end. Turn the body slightly as you're coming out. So lift up again, slow, quick, quick, slow, with the ladies. So those bodies must turn together at the same time. As you're coming out, turn. As you're going in, turn. Move around each other so you're both stretching the same way at the same time. I'll smooth that for you. That's a little bit of a start on the Foxtrot. Again, just learn that one step and learn the technique.